Some people ask me what are authorized user trade lines and how they look in their credit report. This is my credit report right here, and I have about 4 or 5 authorized user trade lines on my account. This is one of the authorized user trade lines, and you see an authorized user trade line, the ones that we offer, sell, have exceptional payment history. This one have a $8,000 credit limit, and all of them have a low balance. This one have no balance right now. As you can see, it's gonna show us an authorized user trade line, and it's gonna show us a never been late, and this is the date that will be the trade line was open. And that what this do to my credit? First of all, it will lower my credit utilization rate by injecting some credit limit to my account. And also, it will give me a lot of payment history, exceptional payment history. So if I have a few lates on my credit, by having all of these, the percentage of late payments, the overall percentage of my late payments is gonna lower. This is another trade line that I have, Capital One. This one is $20,000, which is also gonna help me if I'm gonna look for a credit card with a high credit limit. The bank gonna see that I'm already have experience managing a credit card with a high credit limit, and it will be easier for me to obtain another credit card with a high credit limit, even if it's an authorized user trade line. And as you can see, they also have excellent payment history. This is another authorized user trade line I have to discover, but this one right here is inactive. What I mean is not helping me right now on my credit, but still show up on my credit as an account that is being open with no late payments or anything like that. So it still helped me a little, but because it's inactive, it kind of it's not as it doesn't help me as much as it was open. This is another one that I have. This is a small one. And I have another First Premier here, which is a small one too. But the thing that I help me out is because it have a lot of credit history here, because it was open in 2007. So that's our authorized user trade lines. They're gonna help you to build on your credit age. You're gonna give you age on your credit, and also they're gonna help you to lower your credit utilization rate. So if your credit utilization rate is over 35%, it kind of affects your score. But if you add authorized trade lines that have a high credit limit, that utilization rate will lower, and your credit score will improve. And also, if your credit is have an overall credit age of let's say 3 years, if you inject more credit age, your overall credit age can increase to 5, 6, 7, or the optimal, which is 8 years. Because if you look at people that have 800 credit scores, all of them have no less than 6 years, and most of them have at least 9 years of credit age overall. It doesn't mean that you have a trade line with 20 years, but if you have 20 accounts, maybe that are open for 1 year, your overall credit age is going to be 1 year. So that's the way it works. So hopefully I can explain to you if you have any doubts about it. And also you're going to see more information on my website that I'm going to leave on top here, where you can go and check more information about authorized user trade lines and how they work.